Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hey everyone, we're so happy to see you here today.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I'm really excited about today's lesson because we're going to help you sound more American.
That's right. Today, we're talking about American accent training for beginners.
And don't worry, it's much easier than you think.
We're going to teach you simple tricks that anyone can learn.
By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural and confident.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Yes, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our future lessons.
All right, are you ready to learn?
Let's do this.
So, let's start with the most important thing about the American accent.
What's that?
It's the R sound. Americans love their R sound.
Oh yes, the R sound is everywhere in American English.
In many languages, people don't pronounce the R very strongly.
But in American English, we really pronounce that R.
Let me give you an example. Say the word car.
Car. Did you hear that R at the end? Car.
Let's try another one. Water.
Water. Not wada. It's water with a strong R.
Great. Let's practice together. Everyone say car.
Car. One more time. Car.
Perfect. Now say teacher.
Teacher. Feel that R at the end? Teacher.
You're doing great. Let's try better.
Better. Not betta. It's better.
Excellent. The R sound is so important in American English.
Now let's talk about another big thing.
What's that?
The American T sound. This one is really interesting.
Oh, yes. Americans often change their T sound.
In the middle of words, the T becomes softer, like a D sound.
For example, the word water. Americans say waiter.
Water becomes waiter. It sounds softer and more relaxed.
Let's try another example. Better.
Better sounds like better. The T becomes soft like a D sound.
This is called the flap T. It's super common.
Let me give you more examples. Letter.
Letter sounds like letter.
Matter.
Matter sounds like matter.
Little.
Little sounds like little.
Do you hear it? The T becomes soft like a D sound.
Let's practice together. Say water.
Waiter. Not water with a hard T. It's waiter.
Great job. Now say better.
Better. Feel how soft and relaxed it sounds?
Perfect. This will make you sound so much more American.
Okay, let's move to another important sound.
The short A sound.
Yes, this one is tricky for many learners.
In American English, the short A is very open and wide.
Your mouth opens wide when you say it, like ah.
Let me show you. The word cat.
Cat. Not ket or cot. It's cat with a wide open mouth.
Let's try hat.
Hat. Feel your mouth open wide? Hat.
Another example. Bad.
Bad. Your jaw drops down. Bad.
Let's practice this sound together. Say cat.
Cat. Open your mouth wide. Cat.
Excellent. Now say back.
Back. Nice and open. Back.
You're doing amazing. Try thank.
Thank. That A sound is so important. Thank.
Perfect. This short A sound is everywhere in American English.
Now here's something really cool about American English.
What is it?
Americans reduce a lot of words when they speak fast.
Oh, yes. We make words shorter and easier.
For example, going to becomes gonna.
That's right. I'm going to eat becomes I'm gonna eat.
We don't say the full words when we speak naturally.
Another example. Want to becomes wanna.
I want to go becomes I wanna go.
Let's practice. Say, I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna go. Not I am going to go. Just I'm gonna go.
Perfect. Now try, I wanna learn.
I wanna learn. Easy and natural.
Here's another one. Got to becomes gotta.
I've got to study becomes I've gotta study.
And out of becomes oughta.
Get out of here becomes get out of here.
These reductions make you sound more natural and fluent.
But remember, only use these in casual conversation.
That's right. In formal situations, use the full words.
Great advice. Now let's talk about rhythm.
Oh, yes. American English has a special rhythm.
It's like music. Some words are strong, some words are weak.
We stress the important words in a sentence.
Let me give you an example. I want to go to the store.
In this sentence, which words are important?
Want, go, and store are important.
So we say, I want to go to the store.
The small words like to and the become very soft and quick.
Listen again. I want to go to the store.
It's not, I want to go to the store like a robot.
Right. It flows like music. I want to go to the store.
Let's practice together. Say, I want to go to the store.
I want to go to the store. Great. Try another one. She's going to see a movie.
She's going to see a movie. Hear the rhythm?
Perfect. This rhythm makes English sound natural and fluid.
All right, now let's do something fun.
What's that?
Let's practice with a role play. I'll ask you questions.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, where are you going?
I'm gonna go to the store. Did I use gonna?
Perfect, you did great. Now, what do you want to buy?
I wanna buy some water and butter. I used wanna and I used waiter.
Perfect American accent.
Thank you. Remember, everyone, practice these sounds every day.
Even just 5 minutes a day will help you improve.
Let's do one more practice. Say these words after me. Car, water, better.
Car, waiter, better.
Excellent. Now say, I'm gonna go get some water.
I'm gonna go get some waiter.
Perfect. You're all doing such a great job.
Remember, the American accent is not about being perfect.
That's right. It's about sounding natural and confident.
Focus on the R sound, the soft T sound, and the rhythm.
And don't forget those reductions like gonna and wanna.
Practice a little bit every day and you'll get better and better.
Better and better. See what I did there?
Yes, very funny, but yes, better and better.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed learning about the American accent.
Thank you so much for watching Speaklio English.
Now we have homework for you.
In the comments below, write one sentence using gonna or wanna.
For example, you can write, I'm gonna practice English every day.
Or, I wanna sound more American.
We can't wait to read your comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Hit that like button and share this video with your friends.
Learning English is a journey, and we're here to help you every step.
You are doing great. Keep practicing.
The more you practice, the better you'll get.
Better and better.
Ha ha! Yes, better and better.
We'll see you in the next video.
Until then, keep learning and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.